Hey guys, it's Kelsey here, and I just felt like doing a little vlog today because why not? As you may or may not be able to tell, I'm not in my car today, so that's why I have to awkwardly hold the camera with my hand because I don't have my tripod on my dashboard like I do in my car. But I don't have my car today, so I'm gonna have to make it work. So today I'm going to be going to my friend Katie's house to do her hair, and I just felt like vlogging it to show you guys. I actually did her hair and vlogged it the last time I did her hair, when I dyed it to the color that it is right now. Well, it was anyway, but it faded. But I somehow lost all the footage of that vlog. I was editing it and then I saved it, and then all I had left to do was put music in the background in some spots, and I came back and then the video just wouldn't open. So then I finally accepted, like, okay, I'm just gonna have to do this whole thing all over again. And then I went back into my files to find the clips to put them together again, and they were all gone, which makes no sense because I never delete my raw recordings that fast. I almost never do, actually. I still have a ton of space left on my hard drive, but yeah. So it would make no sense that I would have deleted that stuff already. So I don't know. It's just weird that every single clip that I recorded that day just had a problem, like some weird technical issue, and just disappeared. So I'm gonna be lightening her hair today, so I'm gonna show you guys that. We dance together, that's how we know each other, and we have practice today. We're just gonna kind of hang out and go out to lunch after I'm done, then just go straight to dance. So besides this hair appointment and dance, I have no plans today, except maybe I might be quitting my job today. It's funny how I actually schedule that into my day, but I decided either today or tomorrow I'm gonna quit. It's time. It's long past time, actually, for multiple reasons, but that would be like a whole separate video if I decide to talk about that. But the reason I'm gonna give her is just that the pay is not good, because at the end of the day, even if I did like it here, the pay, it's horrible the way that she pays. And also, she's not busy enough to have me working there. I honestly don't know why I got hired in the first place, to be completely honest with you guys, because it's become a regular thing where she would text me the day before I'm supposed to go in and be like, oh, don't come in tomorrow, it's not busy. I didn't work at all this week. 2 weeks ago I didn't work at all. I work an average of 2 days a week now, and that's ridiculous. And the way she pays too is not beneficial for me to bring my own clients there, because if I could do that, then I'm pretty sure I would have been working every day because I would have had my own clients. But she doesn't pay you for your work. Like, we don't get commission there. I just get a flat salary. So if I were to bring a client in, she would get 100% of what that brought into the business, and I don't get a percentage of it at all, which is why I decided to continue working out of my house or going from house to house like I do. It's just more beneficial to me. So honestly, there's no benefit for me working there. It's a lot of reasons I don't like it there, but that's like the basic reason. And the only reason that I'm gonna tell her. It's just that I just can't live off what you're paying me. So I decided either today or tomorrow I'm gonna do it. I'm debating between these 2 days because today the salon's not open, and I feel kind of bad calling her on her day off just to quit. So I feel like I should just wait till tomorrow, but at the same time, I would hate to call her and then she's like busy with the client, and because she's busy, the conversation gets cut short, because I don't want it to be like a rushed conversation, because I don't want it to be like we're ending on bad terms. Because at the end of the day, I don't want to leave on bad terms, because I don't hate the people there or anything. It's not like that. I just hate working there. So I think what I'm gonna do is just text her and then ask her to call me whenever she's busy, either today or tomorrow. I mean, whenever she's free, to give me a call, and then I'll just tell her over the phone. I would prefer to do it in person because I feel like that's more professional, but I just feel like this is long overdue, and again, there's a good chance I'm not gonna work. It's Monday right now, I'm not supposed to be there until Friday, and there's a good chance that she's gonna tell me not to come in. So it's like, it's gotten to the point where it's like there really is no way I could do this properly. Like, I feel like waiting until I see you in person is pointless. Like giving you a 2 weeks notice is pointless, because in those 2 weeks I could just not work, you know? Like, I feel like doing this the proper way, it's just, I don't have that chance with her. So I'm just gonna have to call her and be like, I'm moving on, I found somewhere else, and that's it. Anyway, enough about that. Let me put this camera down and focus on driving with both my hands free so I can get to her house and start start the fun part of this vlog. Hey everyone, so I'm here with Katie, my bestie from dance. I actually already started recording in the car, so I already like said what I'm doing today. But I'm so awkward. So anyway, so this is her hair. So the last time I did her hair, well, it faded a lot, but it was like a dark brown, like her natural color. And then it just lightened to this, I actually like this color, but lightened to this, whatever.
It's like ready.
Yeah, ready.
Ready.
It's almost like a reddish, blondish, brownish, caramelish, everything-ish color. But we're gonna do a balayage today. And we're gonna see how light we can get it. I hate watching myself. And then it is what it is. Okay, so this is the color idea that we're going for. And we know we're not gonna get it that light today, but we're gonna go as light as we can and we'll work from there. The idea is one day she's gonna have pink on the bottom where the blonde is. But we can't do it today or anytime soon. Yeah, we have dance competition. Natural colors only, so it's gonna have to be, yeah. So maybe like in May or later we'll do that. But for now we're just gonna work on getting it light, so when we're ready for the pink, we can just throw on the pink and we're good. Yep. All right, let's get started. Okay, so to do this balayage today, I'm going to be using the Kenra Simply Blonde Clay Lightener. I like clay lightener for balayages because they don't soak through the hair. So we can just do it as open air painting without any foils or anything, so it's a lot faster, and yet it's just as precise. And I'm using 30 volume developer. If I was using foil, I'd use 20 volume because she already has had her hair lightened previously. So to keep it in good condition, I would have just used 20 volume to be safe. But since we're not using foil, we can go ahead with the 30 because there's not going to be any heat in there. Okay, so all the lightener is in her hair, and I feel like it looks so sloppy and uneven in this camera. But I promise it's going to look fabulous. Hi, that's my name. So yeah, so I didn't record myself doing it because I don't have my tripod with me, so I couldn't record myself doing it. But this isn't a tutorial, it's just a vlog. But basically I took diagonal back sections in the back of her head, and then I bricklayed it with a middle section. Like I did 2 diagonal backs to 1 horizontal section. I just did that throughout the back, and then the front I just kind of face framed it, and I put like a few
I hear you. Hello.
strong streaks, but you know, like bright streaks in the front of her hair.
Yes, it is.
So it's just processing for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna wash her out and tone her and then see the after. Okay guys, so remember how in the car I was saying today might be the day that I quit? So I just sent the owner of the salon a message just asking her to call me, and I don't know how I feel right now. I wasn't. Katie's just stuffing her face with munchkins. But but yeah, so I sent the I wrote the message, I typed it, and I just asked her to call me whenever she's free, either today or tomorrow, but I didn't send it, and then Katie just sent it for me, so there it is. There it is. And I feel like she's gonna suspect that's what that message means, because it's kind of common sense at this point. It really shouldn't surprise her that I'm leaving, but I feel like it will. But it is what it is. I just hope whenever she calls me, I'm at my phone and not at dance or something, so I can answer her, because I don't want to delay this and then miss her call, and then I call her back and she misses my call, and then it's a whole thing. So anyways, I'm kind of nervous and I don't know why. It's not like it's my first time quitting a job, but still. Okay, anyways, I need to wash out Katie's hair. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're on a food run right now. We just picked up some pizza. We decided to go for round 2 with Katie's hair. We're gonna make her a little bit blonder. I should have recorded after I washed it the first time, but it came to like a light orangey color, but we want to go a little bit lighter, so we're gonna do one more time. Even though we're pressed for time, we have to go to dance, but I just broke my own speed record and finished painting her hair in like I don't even know how long it was. I was just trying to be done by 3 o'clock, and it was 3:11 when I finished, but I did good. Anyway, so update on my job status. I'm officially unemployed. So she called me back, and I just told her, it was a very, very short conversation, but I just told her, you know, I've just decided that I'm gonna move on and work somewhere else. And she was very understanding, a lot more than I expected, but I mean,
She said, okay, honey.
yeah, she was very, very okay with it. So yeah, that's that. I don't know what else to say. I'm just very, I don't know what the word is. I guess I'm emotional. I'm just I was like so built up about it. Like I didn't know how to react or what to say when she actually called, and then I felt like the conversation was way too short. Like I thought that I was gonna have to explain why I was leaving, but I should have known. Like, no you don't. She's not gonna ask all that. I feel like she knows why, so yeah. Okay, I need to start driving because we don't have time. But yeah, I just wanted to update that. I'm very happy. I'm very relieved. This was long overdue. I don't know what else to say.
Hi.
Bye. Another update. So, not the best lighting, but that's okay. Oh wow, it looks orange. Like orange. It's not. It's blonde. I think it's the lighting. But she just has Olaplex number 2 right now, so she's conditioning in her hair. Cause I put Olaplex in her lightener also. So she's just conditioning, and then we'll rinse her out, and then you guys would see it all styled. Alright, I'm making this quick because we are pressed for time. Focus. Not focus. Okay. But again, the lighting's not on my side in here, but this is how it looks. I just quickly blew it out, and then we're gonna I'm gonna style it really quick. But I just want to show you guys the level of blonde that we got it to. Wow, this light is creating some weird shadows. So it looks like I have like a stripe of brown running through here, but it's just a shadow, I promise. But anyways, that's her hair, so I'm gonna style it now. Alright, so my camera doesn't want to focus right now, but there she is.
You want to give them some of the baskets or no?
Oh, it's so blurry. I don't know what's going on. I think it's because it's like orangey in here. But there she is. So I'll post the video that I have on my Snapchat. Do you like it? Oh, did you even see it? Like really see it yet?
Yeah, I went over here.
Yay.
I gotta leave at 11:10 to go down to the
Fab.
Time for dance.
Yep, time to put it up in a bun and just go to dance.